Earth Day 2024, a day of reflection and of action, and the theme this year is Planet versus Plastics. The goal is ambitious, that is a 60% reduction in the production of plastics by 2040. It all started in 1970 when Earth Day was first celebrated across college campuses in the United States, a movement born out of necessity driven by the urgent need to protect our planet. And in 2016, the United Nations selected April 22nd as the date for the historic Paris Accord, a turning point in the fight against climate change. On April 22nd, leaders from 196 nations came together to adopt a binding treaty against global warming. What the day plans is to address the menace of plastic pollution. Every year, the world produces 350 million tons of plastic, a staggering amount that has more than doubled in the last 2 decades. And if we continue on this trajectory, it's projected to triple by 2060, reaching a staggering 1 billion metric tons. But perhaps even more alarming is the fact that only 10% of the total plastic produced is recycled each year. Every day, 2,000 garbage trucks full of plastic are dumped into the ocean, choking marine life and polluting our waters. Every year, 19 to 23 million tons of plastic waste leaks into the water ecosystem, threatening fragile ecosystems and biodiversity. The problem is global in scale, but some countries bear a heavier burden than others. China leads the pack, producing 37.6 million tons of plastic waste each year, followed by the United States, India, Brazil, Mexico, and Japan. But the impact of plastic pollution extends far beyond the environment. It's also a major contributor to greenhouse gas emissions, with plastics set to release more greenhouse gas emissions in the country. This is more than coal by 2030. And if that wasn't enough, studies have shown that humans ingest 5 grams of plastic every week through food, water, and even the air we breathe. So do your bit, because together we have the power to change the course of history. Do not use single-use plastic. Segregate your dry and wet waste and ensure that the dry waste is recycled. For Earth Day is not just a day, but a call to action. A reminder that the fate of our planet rests in our hands. Make informed decisions with comprehensive analysis on the go.
Strengthen your portfolio with real-time market updates on the go. Create effective strategies with insightful expert opinions on the go.
Grow on the go with CNBC-TV18, now streaming live 24/7 on YouTube.